Experiencing stutters, low FPS, or random FPS drops while gaming on your PC or laptop can be very frustrating. This video is made to help you fix those problems. I will show you how to boost your FPS, remove stutters, and stop FPS drops by properly optimizing your Windows PC without wasting time on useless tips. Let's begin right now.
Gear Booster is on and off the best program for optimization of your ping while you playing Roblox using a wired or wireless connection. Get the Spade program for free from my description and enjoy your game with lower ping.
Step 1. Turn off memory compression to stop FPS drops and stutters. Press the Windows key, type PowerShell, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. When PowerShell opens, type Get Emergent and press Enter. This command shows memory settings. If memory compression says true, it means it is enabled. We need to disable it. To do this, type Disable Agent. Memory compression and press Enter. This command turns memory compression off. After that, type Get Emergent again and press Enter. You should now see memory compression set to false. This confirms it is disabled. Turning this off lowers CPU usage and helps remove stutters and FPS drops in games. Step 2. Stop unnecessary Windows services running in the background. Press the Windows key, type Services, and open it. You will see a list of services. The first service we will disable is called sysmain. When you hover over it, Windows says it improves performance by caching system and app data in memory so apps open faster. However, sysmain runs all the time in the background. Because of this, it is one of the main reasons for micro stutters and FPS drops during gaming. To disable it, right-click sysmain and click Properties. Click Stop to stop the service, then change startup type to disabled. Click Apply, then click OK. Now repeat the same process for all the other services shown in the video. Stop each service and set it to disabled. You can pause the video while doing this. Disabling these services frees CPU and RAM, which improves game performance. Step 3. Enable the hidden Ultimate Performance Power Plan. Press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. When Command Prompt opens, copy and paste the command provided in the description and press Enter. This unlocks the Ultimate Performance Power Plan. To turn it on, press the Windows key again and search for Edit Power Plan. Open it, then click Power Options. Under Show Additional Plans, select Ultimate Performance. This makes sure Windows does not limit CPU or GPU power while gaming. Gear Booster is a great tool that helps reduce your ping while playing games, and it works with both wired and wireless connections. Download it safely from the official website using the link in the description and enjoy with lower ping. Step 4. Apply CPU optimizations from the Optimization Pack. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. There are many tweaks that can improve performance, but doing them manually takes a long time. Because of this, a low-end optimization pack is used. Start with CPU optimizations. Inside, you will find CPU priority files. Open the folder that matches your CPU brand, either AMD or Intel, and apply the registry file inside. This change tells Windows to prioritize games instead of background applications. Next, go back to CPU optimizations and run the MSI utility as administrator. Select your GPU, check the MSI box, set the interrupt priority to high, then click Apply and close the tool. This helps your GPU communicate faster with the CPU. After that, right-click. Unpark CPU and run it as administrator. Make sure the power plan is set to Ultimate Performance and the core parking index is set to 100%. Click Apply and close it. This ensures all CPU cores stay active during gaming. Step 5. Improve GPU performance using GPU optimizations. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Now we move on to GPU optimizations. Inside the optimization pack, find clear.bat, right-click on it, and run it as administrator. This clears old GPU cache files that can lower performance. Next, you will see two GPU optimization files. Choose the one that matches your system. If you are not sure which one to use, you can comment your PC specs and get help. In the example, the low and medium optimization is used. These GPU optimizations help stabilize FPS and improve overall graphics performance. Gear Booster is a great tool that helps reduce your ping while playing games, and it works with both wired and wireless connections. Download it safely from the official website using the link in the description and enjoy with lower ping. Step 6. Apply important Windows gaming optimizations. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Now we will apply the Windows optimizations. First, disable Game DVR. This completely turns off the Xbox Game Bar and all its background processes, including Game Bar Presence Writer, which uses system resources during gaming. Next, disable Spectre and Meltdown. These are security patches that are no longer needed because modern browsers already provide protection. Keeping them enabled only wastes system resources. Disable driver searching so Windows Update does not search for drivers. This improves performance and prevents outdated drivers from being installed. Disable prefetch if you have an SSD. If your system uses only a hard drive, do not disable it. Disable startup delay so Windows Explorer starts immediately. Enable full screen fix so games run in exclusive full screen mode. This gives higher FPS and lower input lag. Game optimizations improve game priority. Power optimizations adjust AC and DC power settings and disable power throttling to prevent FPS drops at high power usage. Step 7. Turn off Microsoft telemetry and tracking services. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Next, open the telemetry optimization tool from the pack. This software disables Microsoft telemetry and tracking services. It also works on Windows 11. Right-click the tool and run it as administrator. Click Actions, then click Apply Recommended Settings. The tool may ask you to create a system restore point. You should always create one, but in the example, no is selected. After applying the settings, close the program. Windows will warn you that updates may reset these changes and you may need to apply them again. Click Yes. Gear Booster is a great tool that helps reduce your ping while playing games, and it works with both wired and wireless connections. Download it safely from the official website using the link in the description and enjoy with lower ping. Step 8. Reduce keyboard and mouse input delay. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Now open the keyboard and mouse optimizations. Reduce hover time so tooltips appear faster. Reduce keyboard cue size to lower the delay between pressing a key and the action happening on screen. This is very helpful in competitive games. Reduce menu show delay so right-click menus appear instantly. Apply mouse fix to improve mouse movement curves. Reduce mouse cue size to lower mouse input delay. After finishing, you can delete the optimization pack or keep it for future use. Step 9. Extra tips to keep your PC running fast. Finally, follow these general performance tips. Always keep at least 10% free space on your Windows drive. To free space, right-click the drive, go to Properties, run Disk Cleanup, and delete unnecessary files. Make sure your GPU is not overheating. Open Task Manager, go to Performance, select your GPU, and check the temperature while gaming. Keep it below 85 degrees Celsius. If it gets too hot, Windows lowers GPU performance to protect it, which causes lag and stutters. Clean dust from your PC regularly to improve airflow and lower temperatures. If you use a laptop, always keep it plugged in while gaming because laptops perform better when charging. For even more FPS, you can safely overclock your GPU by following a simple guide.